Hello students, 5th standard mathematics class chapter 3. We are starting factors and multiples. In this exercise 3.1, first main question, check the divisibility of the following numbers by 3 and 9. In that A question, 723. This is the number given. You have to check this number, whether this number 723 is divisible by 3 and also 9. That you have to check. Solution. Write the given number 723. You have to remember the rule. For any number to be divided by 3 and 9, the rule is you should add these 3 digits. You have to add the digits. After adding whatever the sum you get, that sum must be divisible by 3 and 9. Then only the given number is divisible by 3 and also 9. When you see this problem, you will understand. Write the given problem 723. Sum of the digits. See how many digits are there? 7, 2 and 3. You must add. That is called sum. 7 plus 2 plus 3. See here. 7 plus 2 plus 3. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. This 12 is divisible by 3. Because 3 4s are 12. So 12 is divisible by 3. So when 12 is divisible by 3, then the given number 723 is divisible by 3. But this 12, after adding 7 plus 2 plus 3, 12, this 12 is not divisible by 9. Can you get 9? Can you get 12 in 9 tables? No. So 12 is not divisible by 9. So right, but 12 is not divisible by 9. Therefore, 723 is not divisible by 9. So only out of 3 and 9, the given number 723 is divisible by only 3, not 9. This is how you have to check. B question, 9604. Solution, write the given number and 9604 and write this statement, sum of the digits. You should 9 plus 6 plus 0 plus 4. 9 plus 6 plus 0 plus 4. Add 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 0, again 15. 15 plus 4, 19. This 19 is not divisible by 3. And also it is not divisible by 9. You will not get 19 in 3 tables and also in 9 tables. It means this 19 is not divisible by 3 and also by 9. When this is the case, the given number 9604 is not divisible by 3 and 9. This is the conclusion. So write statement, 19 is not divisible by 3 and also 9. Therefore, 9604 is not divisible by 3 and 9. This is how you have to check for divisibility rule. These are called divisibility rules for 3 and 9. For each number digits, there are different rules will come across us. In second main question, you will understand. Check the divisibility by 5 and 10. See, now in first main we have done 3 and 9. This is the rule. But for 5 and 10, there is another rule. These things you must remember. So check the divisibility by 5 and 10. A question, 2685. So what is the rule for divisibility by 5 and 10 is, if the last digit, see that the last digit, if it is 0 or 5, then the given number is divisible by 5 and 10. So the digit which is in the ones place you have to see. If it is 0 or 5, then the given number is divisible by 5 and also 10. So A question, you see 2685. Right, solution. Again write the given number. Since a digit at ones place is 5, see here, the digit at ones place is 5. So automatically this number is divisible by 5. This is the conclusion. So therefore 2685 is divisible by 5. But since the digit at ones place is not 0, see, for 10, if the last digit for 10, what is the rule? The last digit must be 0 compulsory. Then only this given number is divisible by 10. So the last digit, that is the digit in ones place, is not 0. So this number is not divisible by 10. Only it is divisible by 5. For 5, what is the rule? The last digit. It means the digit at ones place must be 0 or 5. Then only it is divisible by 5. So here 5 is there, so the number is divisible by 5. But for 10, for this 10, the digit at ones place must be compulsory 0. Here 0 is not there. So 2685 is not divisible by 10. Like this you have to conclude. One more in this 5 and 10 we'll see. B question. 9,99,900. Solution. Write again the given number 9,99,900. Since the last digit at ones place is 0, see, the digit at ones place is 0. If it is like this, then the given number is divisible by both 5 and 10. Because for 5, what is the rule? The digit at ones place must be 0 or 5. 0 is already there, so it is divisible by 5. And for 10, what is the rule? Compulsory the last digit must be 0. It is 0 here, so it is divisible by 10 also. So therefore, what you have to write? 9,99,900 is divisible by 5 and also 10. So this is how you have to check the divisibility rules for any given number. So today we have done about 3, 9, 5 and 10. You must remember the rule. For 3 and 9, what is the rule? The sum of the digits must, after adding what you get, that number must be divisible by 3. Then it is divided by, the given number is divided by 3. This given number, after adding what number you get, that must be divisible by 9. Then only the given number is divisible by 9. So 3 and 9 easy. 5 and 10 also. Only difference is for 5, the digit at ones place must be 0 or 5. Then the given number is divisible by 5. But for 10, compulsory the digit at ones place must be 0 only. Then the given number is divisible by 10. So if you remember this rule, easily you can conclude the divisibility for any given number. Remaining next problems will continue in the next class. Understand the solution and try to recall. You at home only you can put any number and check like this for 3, 9, 5 and 10. Understood? Remaining problems will continue in the next class.